Well, good morning. My name is Tom. I come from the great state of Maine. Welcome. I'm back up at the cabin. I'm getting ready to go mobile. I'll show a picture of it. I've got to drag my, it's a small slide-in camper out of the brush pile. Do a couple of repairs on it and get it ready for the road. Won't take much. All it is a roof with a bed in it. So. I got lots of birch bark here. Went and collected it down back. We are fortunate. We have a lot of not only birch bark trees here, but we also have a bunch that are down on the ground. So. Well, I'm just going to let that go for a few minutes and get a nice bed of coals built up so that I can put my Dutch oven on there for deep frying the potato. And I've got a package of last year's deer, package of tenderloin I'm going to put in there. Actually in a frying pan, got a cast iron frying pan. I'm going to put that in the frying pan along with some onions, a little salt and pepper. And that ought to make a pretty good breakfast. So. Empty moose wagon. Empty moose wagon. 2 more days. 2 more days. Alright, this is the 3rd time I've tried to get you guys a video. It's too dark in this moose wagon to do videos, but there's my kitchen anyways. Wanted to share my kitchen. I'm sure you guys are going to want to know what the inside of this thing looks like. That's the kitchen. It's just a common burner stove. It's been raining for 3 days, snowing. It's not been very nice. So all my cooking's been done in here for this trip. Down on the floor, I have a buddy heater, which makes it very nice and warm in here. Little kitchen supplies. Everything is under the bed. You can't see, but in that yellow box is my full kitchen. Over here is my food and snacks. The white bucket there, Crosby. Whoops. The white bucket there is Crosby, and I found that free on the side of the road. That's my dinner bucket. This is the cooler I keep the food in. So, outside of that, and the bed area, a 30-06 that I've been using for this trip. Nothing fancy. It's just a single bed. I do have a couple of good cushions there, so I have a really good bed. Minus 30 below sleeping bag. And a wool blanket on top of that. So, but most of the place is paneling. This wall here has never had anything on it. Like I said, I use this, depending on what I'm using it for, is what we call it. This week we're moose hunting, so we call it a moose wagon. And if I coyote hunt, then it's a coyote wagon. But anyways, it's a warm place to crawl into. So, well, that'll be it for tonight. I wanted to share the cabin with you guys a little bit. We gotta get the camp kitchen. Huh? So we gotta get the camp kitchen.
Yeah, right. Oh, what the? Oh, that's... I'll go with the wall, huh?